Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to a new Active Directory video. In this video, we will cover an interesting topic, LLMNR poisoning attack. The linked local multicast name resolution LLMNR is a protocol that is used for domain name resolution. When a traditional DNS server unable to resolve a domain name, in that case, LLMNR protocol acts like a fallback mechanism for name resolution. Now let's take a look at a diagram showing how an LLMNR poisoning attack happens. Here you can see the client wants to access a share with the domain name bytedefender.com, but client has a typo entering the bytedefender.com. In that case, DNS server unable to resolve the bytedefender.com because it doesn't have any record for this. After that, client broadcast a LLMNR packet to check is there anyone can resolve the domain name. Here hacker can easily intercept the request because this protocol has no authentication mechanism. That's why anyone can respond to the request. Now user think the attacker machine is a legitimate server to resolve the domain name after the client provide their hash. Now this is a brief theory part about how an LLMNR poisoning attack happens. Now let's do some practical. I have locally set up an AD environment to perform this LLMNR poisoning attack. Before diving into the topic, here I am using Responder tool. This tool is very powerful for capturing the network authentication traffic like this LLMNR, HTTP, SMB. There is multiple authentication protocol this tool can capture. So for set up the Responder tool, the commands looks like sudo responder and the interface. In my case, the interface is Ethernet 0 and the responder setup is successful. Now go to the client machine. I have also set up an Windows 10 machine with a Franklin user for AD environment. And this is the user. Let's try to access a typo domain name like anything, bytedefender.com. And let's see the Kali machine is successfully captured the user hash or not. And you can see this tool is successfully captured the user hash of Franklin user. And this is the total hash of the Franklin user. That this hash can be crackable by using some password cracking tool like John the Ripper or Hashcat. Here we will use John the Ripper tool. First, save the hash in a file. Copy the hash and paste into that file. Now save that file and try to crack it. So the command is for John word list. The word list is rocky.txt and the file name is hash. There is some typo in my argument. And done, the password is cracked successfully. The password is frankie@123. In this way, in an AD environment, the first initial access has taken. That's it for today.